Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from August the 27th through September the 2nd. Okay, and what I'm going to be doing is another classic movie, The Rare Breed, starring Maureen O'Hara, Brian Keith, and Jimmy Stewart. And I love it. It's a really good cowboy, and I really think you'll enjoy this one. So let me show you the paper that I picked out. Okay, I picked this out because Brian Keith plays a man from Scotland. And to me, this just really looks kind of like that, but yet it gives the feel for his cowboy effect. I'm going to be using 3 papers in this one, and this one I picked out for Jimmy Stewart. I think this is more him in the movie. And then Maureen O'Hara, she's just so delicate, but she's placed in between these men, and I think it's going to give us a good effect. And then I'm just using some Dollar Tree washi that just looks like wood. And I made my own stickers, and then I'm probably going to use this brown Sharpie. Okay, so let's take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everybody loved my Anastasia theme. I really enjoyed doing that. Okay, and we'll do this a little different. I'm going to cut some of this to go down the edge of the side. So I'm doing this one just a little bit different because I want to incorporate her delicateness in this. Okay, let's put our papers down how we think we want them. And we will see how this turns out. Oh, I think that's going to be really cute. I might add this over here and then put this here so I don't have too much shiny on one side. Oh, I think that is really going to give us a good feel. Okay, so let's start putting our paper down. This is a really good movie. It is a little sad from time to time, but it's very good too. Oh, I like that. But Maureen O'Hara plays a lady that is widowed, and she's coming from England, and she plays Martha, and she's bringing her daughter Hillary in with their bull Vindicator, which is a Hereford, and she's going to try to crossbreed them with Longhorns from Texas. And Brian Keith plays Alexander, the man that she sold the bull Vindicator to in Texas. And Jimmy Stewart is playing Sam, the man who's going to bring the bull to Alexander's ranch in Texas. And they have all kinds of adventures along the way, as you can imagine. But her husband believed that the bulls could be crossbred. Okay, I do like that. I think that is really going to give us a cute spread. All right, let's put down our washi. And I probably should have put something under that because you can see it. So I think I'll just double this washi. But you can put like just a piece of paper underneath that, or some of your sticker paper, and cover that, and it covers nicely. Okay, that gives us a good feel for the movie. And I'll just double this again. Oh, I really like how that turned out. Okay, here's my stickers. This is just how the DVD looks right here, the Rare Breed. And then this is when Martha and Hillary come to town with Vindicator the bull, and they meet up with Sam, and they don't trust him, so they decide they'll accompany him to Texas to drop off Vindicator. And then here is Martha and Sam in town. And then here they are actually at the ranch. that right here. And then they're on their way, but Sam made a bad decision and was going to do something he shouldn't have. So there was like a shootout in the canyon. So I think I'll put that right here. And then here is Hillary with Vindicator. And he's more like a pet than anything else. He's a real sweet animal. And then this is what Alexander, or Alex, looks like. Brian Keith. He looks like a caveman when they get there. I mean, he doesn't bathe. I mean, he is rough. And then he decides that he likes Martha, so he wants to start changing up a bit so that she'll be interested in him. And he is from Ireland, I believe. So he cuts his hair and puts on his military outfit, and he brings out silver and everything, and she's just shocked. But she really has fallen in love with Sam. And he's asked her to marry him there. And then this is Alexander's son, Jamie, right here, who he hasn't gotten along with very well at all until they come into the picture. And he falls in love with Hillary, Martha's daughter. Okay, and then here is, they decide that they're going to have to take Vindicator out to see if he can do this, and see if he's tough enough, and it's pouring the snow down. So they leave him out there, Hillary actually does, and they're going to see if he makes it through the winter, because Alex says he's too soft and he'll never make it. And then this is Alex and Martha when Sam comes in. And I'm not going to tell you how it ends, but here is Sam riding his horse searching for Vindicator because it's a horrible winter. It's one of the worst they've ever had. So he's calling for Vindicator because he responds to God Save the Queen. So he's calling for him. I won't tell you if he shows up or what because I don't want to ruin it, but it is a good movie. So let me write a few things that I need to do. All right, I'm going to put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it, but I really think this turned out pretty. I do like it. It gives a good feel for the movie because Martha is torn between Sam and Alex. And Alex is just, he wears a lot of plaid and things like that. And Sam is just a regular old cowboy who just rides fences and does things like that. And then her softness comes in with the paper. So I really like the paper. I love my stickers, and I think this washi really does a good job of setting it off. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.